Welcome. In this video, we'll explore widgets in ISARA Advance. In large enterprises, it's not enough to know encryption is happening. You need visibility into which primitives and algorithms are in use, because weak or outdated ones can hide in plain sight. Let's add a refinement widget. We'll name it Devices Hashes. Set Show Usage by Device and select Category, Hash. Then click Save. Now the widget displays which hash algorithms are most used across your network, with green for strong, yellow for caution, and red for insecure. If red bars start to rise, that's a clear signal. Insecure algorithms are spreading, and it's time for the security team to act. So, why do device hashes matter? They're crucial for verifying the integrity of software, firmware, and device configurations. If hashing isn't done correctly, attackers can spoof devices, inject malicious code, or bypass integrity checks, leading to silent, system-wide compromises. Algorithms like MD5 and SHA1 were once trusted, until collision attacks made them unreliable, allowing forged certificates and fake software updates to slip through. That's why visibility into your cryptographic posture is so important. Outdated hashes can linger long after they've been deprecated. As we move into the post-quantum era, strong hashing remains a foundation of security. Knowing which algorithms are in use helps organizations plan a quantum-safe transition with confidence. Widgets in ISARA Advance turn complex crypto data into simple visual insights, helping you spot weaknesses early, track strengths, and stay ready for what's next. With ISARA Advance, you gain visibility, control, and confidence, protecting your organization's cryptography today and into the post-quantum future. Thanks for watching.